Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks for my love for everything. I also pray for you to learn mighty so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest videos. So the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet scarf free ideas, beautiful fall ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful ideas. Mind-blowing pattern. Beautiful, most trendy collection, most wearing, most likely collection, daily use collection. Crochet ideas, fall ideas. So like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice, beautiful ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Allah Hafiz.